lost in night, in the wood, shadows fight. Don't take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babaylan TV.
Hello Aquarius, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for March 22nd to March the 31st reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So kung gusto nyo pong sumali, you're very much welcome to do so dahil mababait po yung mga tao doon. And Aquarius, gusto ko lang pong sabihin sa inyo na this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or baka konti lamang, take what's only yours. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating raffle, hindi ko sasabihin promo, no? Sa ating raffle, follow me, no? Doon po sa Facebook. May pinin po akong video doon and nandun po yung mechanics. Ayan, so simulan na po natin ito. Bakit Aquarius, medyo parang sinabi natin tama na, ayoko na, no? Ayoko na mag-antay, tama na itong sakripisyo. Siguro unahin ko muna yung sarili ko. I'm focusing on something or someone else right now. Siguro masyado na ako na-stuck sa ganito. Yes, I admit, I have something to do with this na parang ako din naman ang nagbigay nitong emotion na ito sa aking sarili. Probably this is also, sabihin natin, with a Hierophant kasi meron na acceptance, no? Meron na rin, ito yata ang aking kapalaran or karma. Sige, sabihin natin, nandito ako sa sitwasyon na to, pero hindi ko nahahayaan na hanggang dito lang ako. I need to level up, turn my back on this, and move forward. So, may acceptance na nga. And I am choosing my happiness, no? Marami kasi tayong pag-uusapan dito. Finances, career, job, no? Romance, of course. So, magsimula tayo sa finances. Ang nakikita ko dito, siguro gusto nating finances and job, no? Parang medyo intertwined sila dahil I need to level up my game, no? Hindi ito siguro ang linyang para sa akin. I need to seek for an option, no? Ang tagal ko naka-stuck sa ganitong sitwasyon and I feel like kailangan kong minomotivate ko naman yung sarili ko. Pero nandito na nga ako sa acceptance of hindi ako uunlad sa ganito, so I need to look for another option. And also one of the financial problem in here is baka kasi hindi natin ini-invest, no, itong ating pera wisely, whether it is ginagasta natin or wala tayong kumbaga management or financial management skill on how we can spread, no? I feel like kailangan nating matuto with a Hierophant in here, no? Doon sa mga tao na kapaligid sa atin or change our ways for us to gain more finances or abundance, no? If this is career, I feel like you wanted to turn your back on your specific or at this current moment, no, na trabaho or company. You're seeking for an option for a few numbers of you. Baka kasi I'm seeing here placement fee. Baka may nagpaplano na umalis ng ibang bansa with a Hierophant in here. Kasi dun mo nakikita yung parang serenity. Doon mo nakikita yung peace, doon mo nakikita somehow the happiness, no? If this is romance for singles, napagod na tayo pagiging single, no? I think that we have a crush in here and we're trying to invest, pero hindi lang ito isang crush ha. crushes and singlehood, siguro nandito tayo, no? Um, we're happy na meron tayong inspiration as of the moment. Sana lang, no, ang ating wish is somehow ma-reciprocate itong ating nararamdaman kasi that would also put a smile in our face. Now, kung ito naman po ay no label, I feel like it's the same kaso ang sayo medyo nakakalungkot kasi ang dami ko nang ginawa, no, dito sa relasyon situationship na ito. Hindi ko masasabing relationship dahil no label nga. So, dito sa situationship na ito, ang dami ko na rin sakripisyo ginawa, but I feel like it's not moving. So, I think I need to move forward and check other options for myself. Yes, nandito na ako sa acceptance that I'm happy with the person, but I'm not happy with the flow of our energy because what I wanted in here is to put the connection into another level, 'di ba? So, kung magjowa, I feel like medyo ganun din, medyo nagkakaroon tayo ng challenges right now. Feeling natin na tayo ay nadi-disregard, hindi tayo masyadong napapansin the emotion of our person. Baka ating assumption here is medyo stuck, hindi nag improve parang nagkaroon ng complacency. We're okay, but somehow we wanted to parang i-push pa yung limit, i-push yung envelope for us to gain something more serious, if I may say, no? Kung ito yung buhay mag-asawa, bakit ganon? I feel like there's an option in here, parang iniisip natin meron nga bang third party kasi nawawala ang kanyang passion, which also influence my way of seeing the connection. Kasi parang ganun na rin yung nararamdaman ko kung walang investment at hindi na nare-reciprocate, kung hindi nare-reciprocate, ayun, itong aking ginagawa, nasan yung happiness ko? Am I settling for less? Or do I have to do something? So medyo bothered tayo ngayon, no? But still, kahit papano, we are, nandun tayo sa dynamic, na hindi tayo umaalis. There may be thought na, kailangan ko bang umalis? Kailangan ko ba? But we're staying, di ba? It was just a thought, no? So, the Tower, King of Cups, the Nine of Wands, the Lovers, and the Four of Wands. Napakaganda. Hindi dahil meron kayong challenges, or baka siguro, no, maganda rin may challenges. Alam mo, minsan itong challenges, especially when it comes to romance, sometimes challenges are blessings para at least makita natin, no, yung longevity at kung hanggang saan yung sakripisyong pwedeng gawin sa atin ng ating minamahal. With the King of Cups in here, kasi siguro magtataka tayo, bakit? Siguro mas nakakapagtaka kung bakit walang challenges itong relationship, no? Kahit kasi sa buhay pamilya, merong mga challenges, merong hidwaan, merong kahit papano, hindi pagkakaintindihan. And with that being said, parang pinapakita niyo yung pagiging totoo. Pero I don't really believe na perfect relationship dahil there must be something wrong in that, no? Hindi ko naman jinx, and I'm not doubting. What I'm trying to say here is, really? Daig pa ang magkadugo? But then again, no, if there's really a relationship with that, I have nothing against you, then so good, no? So if when it comes to finances, the Tower, the King of Cups, Nine of Wands, the Lovers, and the Four of Wands, I think that things are tumbling down right now. There's a lot of challenges in here with the King of Cups. Siguro hindi mo sinasabi, no, na meron kang financial issues as of the moment, Aquarius. Hindi mo pinagkakalat, hindi mo sinasabi sa mga loved ones mo. You're trying to seek for what? An answer? Let's clarify the Tower. Oh, the Three of Cups, and the Strength card. Oh, siguro sa yung iba sa inyo nagamit yung pera sa isang celebration, nagamit yung pera sa pakikipagkaibigan, no? Um, and or nagamit yung pera sa hindi inaasahan and felt like medyo may pagsisisi kasi hindi naman dito dapat, no, mapupunta itong perang ito. However, what I am seeing in here is nandito na, gumagawa ako ng paraan and I feel like masusolusyonan. When it comes to career or job, sa career, I feel like there's something fishy in here dahil merong parang naninira, no, sa inyo. Alam mo na may nagsisipsep, no, sa boss. Alam mo may nagsusumbong, sinisiraan ka, but you're still trying to keep your mouth shut with the Strength card. I think that you are very aware of what is happening in your surroundings and I feel like you're guarding yourself up. Kung ito yung nangyayari sa inyo with the lovers in here, tama lang naman na either cut this person out or guarding yourself up, no, para hindi tayo mas masaktan, no? Siguro ngayon mas alam na natin kung sino yung kalaban kaysa sa kakampi, 'di ba? So if this is romance, sa mga singles, so are we playing hard to get pero meron na tayong nararamdaman? Kahit meron tayong ini-initiate na kahit kaunti, somehow minsan nagpapabebe tayo, no? Ito yung nakikita ko. Pero, I feel like kung kailangan na, no? Kung kailangan na nating i-express ang ating nararamdaman, why not? Dahil, mahal ka rin naman itong taong ito, na kung ito ay crushes, same way, no labels, medyo kailangan mo na magsalita. Matagal na tayong nanahimik, so I think it is time for us to express what we feel, no? Whether it is a request, a demand, para at least malaman na natin. And who knows, you're gonna be surprised na aamin. I think ikaw lang ang inaantay nitong umamin muna, no? Or mag-ask ng, how do I say this? Mag-ask, mag-initiate ng move. Ayan. So kung mag-jowa, I feel like there may be some challenges in here. I feel like may mga bad influence ditong nakapaligid. Chances are itong mga bad influence na ito, pinoprovoke pa yung person mo para makapaglandian sa iba. So, I think mas mabuting kausapin, no? Kasi makikinig naman with the lovers in here. I feel like hindi lang ito mahindian, but ikaw pa rin naman ang pipiliin kasi with the Four of Wands, no? I will still choose your happiness. I will still choose and parang i-prioritize, no? The home, my home, which is you. Para sa mag-asawa na nagkakaroon ng parang third-party situation, I feel like kailangan na rin natin magsalita. Meron na tayong mga hinanakit, no, na tinatago. Somehow, meron na tayong idea. I feel like ganun din tayo ay pipiliin, no, choosing the home, choosing the family that this person created. If you are in a third-party situation, whether pinili mo or hindi, what I am seeing in here is probably this is the time for you to turn your back on this and have your person choose. I think because yung person mo is settling for I think that your person also thinks that you're settling for what is less, no? Kaya i-prioritize natin ang sarili natin. Ayan, so let's check some more cards here. Gusto ko lang pong ipaalala sa inyo na sa kabilang channel, ang Babaylan TV, nandun po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Kung hindi nyo po naaabutan, kasi pwede kayo doon magtanong, no? Pwede naman kayo magtanong din dito sa comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no lang, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa website. Sa description box po ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, amount per question, name, number, QR code for your reference. And take advantage of the 4 questions press 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Ayan. And speaking of private reading, if you don't have funds or you wanna just try, no, muna, sumali kayo doon sa ating raffle that is personal video reading. Nandun po sa Facebook, no? May pinin po akong video doon and check the mechanics there. Sa Facebook lang po ako pipili, no, ng lucky winner or winners. Ayan. Let's check some more cards. I want you. So this is I think that this is the core of the energy of this romantic situation or this energy. What I want is to hold you, to touch you, to feel you, either to taste you, no? If this is food or baka pwedeng tao din naman na something that you want to experience in this 3D. And I feel like your person also, this is a mutual, no, with the lovers in here, sort of like a mutual feeling. There might be a mutual understanding in here, no? Let's check some more cards and message from the universe. You need to ignore what everyone else is doing and achieving. I think for a few numbers of you, siguro nandito tayo sa masyado din natin nako-compare ang sarili natin sa iba. Bakit gano'n? May sinasabi dito, mind your own business, no? Your life is about breaking your own limits and outgrowing yourself to live your best life. So, eto na nga. I feel like, yun naman ang ginagawa mo ngayon. Nagpo-focus ka and you're trying to do things, no, your own way. And I feel like meron ditong promise na sinabi na mahihigatan mo pa kung ano yung mga nagawa mo noon. Especially sinabi ko kanina sa finances. Baka nagkaroon tayo ng malaking pera na gusto nating ma-achieve, no? Or higit pa doon ng ating makukuha, no? Siya nawa. You are not in a competition with anyone else. Okay? Plan to outdo your past, not other people. Napakaganda. Kasi, huwag nating i-compare, no? May kanya-kanya tayong path. And the universe is telling you, baka nga, mas maganda pa yung path na makukuha mo. At sila magko-compare sa'yo, no? So, minding our own business will give us more focus, no, doon sa ating mga ginagawa. Wag muna nating entertain yung mga clutter, no, from outside factor. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. If this is a romantic situation or this is a relationship or romance reading, that's why you're here. Taurus, Leo, Virgo, Gemini, Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer, Capricorn. Yan. So, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.